Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. Yes, you are not lost. You're on the right channel. So on this channel, we do share crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, natural hair, DIY. So a lot of info. Yes. And we upload videos every day. So make sure that you check out for more videos every day. You are not lost. Yes, you're on the right channel. To my 92 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. God bless you. You are my jewels, and this keeps us pushing for more informative videos. Yes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how you can deep condition your hair using Ayurvedic deep conditioner using henna and neem powder. So these are powerful, powerful powders to, grow your natural hair and to optimize your natural hair. Yes, and the oils that we added, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So make sure that
These
you
are the
watch this
products that
video
we are going to use.
until
We are
to
going
the
to use
end.
snooper, henna, glass ball, moringa oil. We are also going to use our detangler, okra detangler. We are also going to use neem powder. Yes. So these are and this spatula as well for mixing. But though I didn't use it at the end. So like I'm trying out this mixer which I got like it's been a year. So now we are getting a glass bowl and we are pouring in our okra detangler. Like this will be our base. It's going to make our product pliable, and it's so conditioning as well. It has good ingredients. You can check the video which we made, or I'll link it in the description box below. And we're also adding in our moringa oil. I did a video on the first way to make moringa oil the simple way. So that is how it looks like after adding in our oil. Now we are adding in our neem. So we are adding in our neem. That is 30 grams of our neem powder. And we are also adding in 10 grams of nupa henna. So neem powder for hair has amazing benefits thanks to the wonderful nature. We don't have to be, putting chemicals stuff. And according to Ayurveda natural herbs, neem and other herbs are known to like promote hair growth, reduce hair fall, and give your hair look like lustrous and voluminous and healthy locks. So we are trying out this gadget which we got. Like it's been a year ever since I got this gadget on Amazon, and I haven't used it like ever since I got it. So now like we want to try it today. I'm praying that this baby works. Yes. So like I got it from Curry PC World. Like they do have good products. I really love their products. Like they are so strong and very durable. You can check them on Amazon. But of course, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just like informing you about this product. Yes, I really love it. Despite not using it there and then, I hope that it will work. So the oils and the powders that we are using in this Vedic deep conditioner, like neem powder will fight dandruff. Neem is one of the best and easy remedies to get rid of dandruff and maintain a scalp healthy. Neem is also said to like treat hair loss or balding. So balding occurs when the pores of the scalp begin to be, blocked due to sebum production, less sebum production. This blocking results in inflammation on the scalp that damages roots. So neem has high fatty acid content, which is extremely advantageous for maintaining scalp healthy. Neem also will get rid of lice. Lice are tiny, parasites that live on scalp of hair. They feed on minute amounts of blood from the scalp. So neem is one of the best way to treat lice. So it prevents lice from breeding on the scalp and destroying their life cycle because it contains a compound called azadirachtin. It works as an insect pesticide. So neem will also strengthen your hair. With its natural conditioning properties, neem helps hair to become stronger and thicker. It works at the roots and strengthen hair strands, which are breaking or they're not growing well. So it's a good combination in our deep conditioner. So for henna has antifungal properties which make it beneficial for those with dandruff and hair fall related issues, as well as microbial properties. So henna also reduces premature graying of the hair, and it's loaded with many plant components found in it, like contribute to the rich color. So the Nupa henna which we used actually contains 9 herbs. Like it has aloe vera, it has methi, bringrija, it has amla, a lot of them, neem, a lot of them, like which fight dandruff, scalp issues, which makes hair looks lustrous, promotes natural volumizing agent like methi. Yes, and aloe vera is like a best natural moisturizer. So now we are starting off on freshly washed hair. Yes, so you have to make sure that you apply it on freshly washed hair. And it feels so moisturizing because of the conditioner which you use. It easily detangles our hair. And like I've been experiencing breakage since August, so I embarked on a journey to remedy breakage, and these products are really working well for my hair. And I've also been using fermented rice water. We've also been using onion juice. I also use onion oil. Like I've done quite a number of videos on all those products. You can check them out, or I'll link them in the description box below. So make sure that you comb it through using your fingers. You can even use your comb, whatever preference you like. But I feel like hands are very gentle. Yes, we've been trying to grow out our hair, so I rarely use combs. So have you seen the knots are coming out, or some shady hair? Once you are done, make sure that you braid that section or you separate that section so that you are not disturbed, so that will work well. So neem is very potent. Actually, it has a potent smell, so it's getting in my eyes. Yeah, so we'll continue working in sections throughout our hair strands. Yes. So guys, have you ever used neem in your hair? You can comment in the section below, or different kinds of herbs which you love. Yes, so I make my own products like neem. I had to make my own powder. I plucked a few leaves and then dried it in the shade, and once it was dry, then I had to um, pound it. Yes. at this point, we are done applying our Ayurvedic deep conditioner. That is how our hair looks like. I love that green color. It looks so beautiful. So now at this point, we are putting on a plastic bag. You can even go in with a plastic cup, but I really love plastic bags because they come in handy. Unlike plastic cups, like they easily break. I feel like they're not durable, but you can go for whatever you like. Yes. So now at this point, like, you can decide whether to sit under a bonnet hair dryer or not, but we're not going to do that because, guys, I tell you, it's extremely hot. So I'm just going to put on my satin wrapper and leave it in for hours, and then after that we are going to rinse off our deep conditioner and proceed with moisturizing our hair. So thank you so much for watching this video, dear friends, and I really appreciate you for your love and your support. Yes, so if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so and click on that subscribe button and subscribe today, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that every time we post, you'll be notified. You won't miss out on anything. And if you have any suggestion for this channel, you can kindly comment in the section below. So like, I really love wrapping my scarf in a perfect way. Yes, that is how it looks like. Yes, so bye bye, God bless you, see you in my next video.